Okay, so this lesson is an extension of our first multiplication lesson where we learned about multiplying by tens. And again, we're going to work down this way, but let's take a look at this little calculator that is giving us a tip up here. It says when multiplying a two-digit number by a multiple of 10. So remember we talked about that a factor is what we're multiplying. The product is the answer. A multiple is that you multiply 10 times something, and 10 is a factor of it, okay? So, for example, if we did 10 times 2 is 20, 10 is a factor, 2 is a factor, but the multiple is over here, okay? So, when you're multiplying a two-digit number by a multiple of 10, first multiply the ones, then multiply the tens. That's a lot of vocabulary, but let's talk about it as we go, and I think you guys will catch on, okay? So, first we multiply by the ones. So, 25 times 0, we know that that's 0, okay? That was easy enough. Then, we multiply by the tens, okay? So, 5 times 2 is 10. So, we can start right here, just like we did, we're going to do the ones times this, and then the tens times the tens, okay? So 5 times 2 is 10, so we're going to put this 1 up here, and then 2 times 2 is 4, add 1 more is 5, okay? Got that? Let's try it again. So we're going to multiply the ones. 9 times 0 is 0. Oh, we might have to do this one too. 9 times 0 is 0. Then we're going to do 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 3 is 27, 28, 29. Is that right? See, sometimes even teachers, let's check. 99 times 30. Oh no, I didn't have to add that extra 0. Sorry. Don't get confused. We'll go over it. Don't worry. Okay, so, oh, I should have looked down here. It was telling me. Oh my goodness. Okay, 9 times 0 is 0. So now we go over, so pretend like this didn't happen. Okay, just forget about it. 9 times 0 is 0. And then we go over here, because 99 times 0 would still be what? It would be 0. 9 times 3, 27. Put the 2 up. 9 times 3 is 27, 28, 29. So there's our product, 2970. Right here, this 30, that's our multiple of 10, because 10 times 3 would make 30, right? So it's something that we multiplied to make, okay? 2,970. All right, let's try over here on our next page. All right, 36 times 0 would be 0. 6 times 1 is 6. And then 3 times 1 is 3. So 360 for that one is our product. Our multiple of 10 on this one is 10, because 10 times 1 is 10, right? Okay, and we'll go ahead and go down, and then we'll come back up. 42 times 20. So our multiple of 10 this time is 20. Okay, so 42 times 0 is 0. We still have to put that in there because otherwise our answer would be different, okay? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So our product is 840. Okay, so far so good. So I'm just making sure that I multiply this number first and this number second. We always work this way in multiplication. Oh, sorry, this way. But from the smallest place value to the largest, okay? This time we're doing 15 times 20. Our multiple of 10 is 20 right here. We start over here. 15 times 0 is 0. And then we break it up, just like we talked about in all of our other lessons. We're breaking it up. So this is the 5, right? 5 times 2, we're doing our ones first, times this 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. Make sure we cross this off so we don't use it. 15 times 20 is 300. Up to the top. 53 times 30. 53 times 0 is 0. Anything times 0 is 0, right? And then 3 times 3 is 9. And then 5 times 3 is 15. And our multiple of 10 on this one was 30. Because 10 times 3 is 30. Okay. 64 times 0 is 0. Okay. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 1 more is 25. So our product this time is 2,560. Okay. And then our last one. Here we go. First, we multiply our whole top number by 0. We're still going to get that same answer of 0. Now we're going to multiply the 1s times the 10s on the bottom. 7 times 3 is 21. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Add 2 more, 7, 8. So our product on that one is 810. And our multiple of 10 was the 30. So this strategy, this method of multiplication only works if we are multiplying by 2 digits by a multiple of 10. If this had like a 7 here, we would have to do it different. But we're really just trying to build our place value understanding. So only if it's a multiple of 10, one of the numbers, can we do this with 2 digit by 2 digit multiplication.